we ride a trike in December.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, sweetie. What do you think? Yeah. Fun.
I wonder if we should move him back a little bit so his feet doesn't hit the thing.
Hit the pedals?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that fun or what?